Hello friends, my name is Prince Mavi. In this video we will discuss about this question. This question is in JEE Advanced Physics, and this question says that a dimensionless quantity is constructed in terms of electronic charge E, permittivity of free space epsilon naught, Planck constant h, and speed of light c. If the dimensionless quantity is written as e की power alpha, epsilon naught की power beta, h की power gamma, c की power delta, and n is a non-zero integer, then alpha, beta, gamma, delta is given by. So in this question we have four quantities: electronic charge, epsilon naught permittivity of free space या vacuum, and h is Planck constant, and c is speed of light. We know that if E is charge, and we also know that this charge is a drivable quantity. Drivable quantity means its dimension at. At means charge is equals to q is equals to it. I have dimension a and t have dimension t, because a for ampere and t for time. And then we will get epsilon naught, dimension of epsilon naught. We know that from the Coulomb's law, F is equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into q1 q2 upon r square. In this formula we can put easily, because 1 upon 4 pi has no dimension, because this is not quantity, it is a constant number. Then we can find epsilon naught is equals to q1 q2 upon f r square. So we know that q1 and q2 are basically charges, and dimension of charge is 80. Dimension of charge is 80 into 80 upon ml2 ml t minus 2, and r square is a length, so length square. Then we get m minus 1 l minus 3 t for a2, this dimension given as. And then we can find dimension of Planck constant h by the rule of Planck. E is equals to nh nu, where nu is the frequency of light and h is Planck constant. E is energy, and we know that energy have ml2 minus 2 dimension, and n has no dimension, so h and t have t minus 1. Frequency has t minus 1 dimension, and then we can find h is equals to ml2 t minus 1. Then we also have c is equals to lt inverse, because it is velocity of light, and velocity of light contains lt inverse dimension. So we can find easily, because in this dimension their power alpha, beta, gamma, and delta, and this is dimensionless quantity. Means if we taken as e की पावर मतलब at की पावर अल्फा, m इनवर्स l माइनस 3 t for a2 power beta, and m l2 t minus 1 to the power gamma, and lt minus 1 delta is equals to m0 l0 and t0 a0, because it is dimensionless quantity, it has no dimension. So we can find easily by solving this equation. M has value minus beta plus gamma, L has value minus 3 beta plus 2 gamma minus plus delta. T has value alpha, t की power alpha plus 4 beta minus gamma minus delta. Then we also have a to the power alpha plus 2 beta. It is complete dimension because and it has dimensionless quantity m0, l0, t0 and a0. On comparing this equation, we get the value minus beta plus gamma is equals to 0, minus 3 beta plus minus 3 beta plus 2 gamma plus delta is equals to 0, and alpha plus 4 beta minus gamma minus delta is equals to 0, and then finally we have alpha plus 2 beta is equals to 0. From these four equations we can find the value of alpha, beta, gamma and delta. So by from equation 1, alpha is equals to beta. First we get alpha is equals to beta, and alpha is equals to minus 2 beta, gamma is equals to beta, and alpha is equals to minus 2 beta. Then we put these value in equation third, and we get अल्फ़ा की वैल्यू है हमारी माइनस 2 बीटा प्लस 4 बीटा माइनस बीटा माइनस डेल्टा इज इक्वल्स टू 0. तो यहाँ पर आ जाएगा डेल्टा इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस बीटा नो प्लस बीटा, and then finally delta have plus beta. So we have alpha, beta and alpha, delta and gamma value in terms of beta. If we take in all four options, beta takes minus n value, so alpha takes plus 2n value, it is minus n and it is minus n. So first option is the correct answer. This is the solution of this equation. Thank you.